To a health alert and new cases of locally acquired dengue fever. The latest cases are being reported in the Florida Keys. Local 10's Sanela Sabovic is live with what you need to know. Sanela.
And Nicole, as we know, it is mosquito-borne illness season here in South Florida, typically occurring during the hot summer months and into the early fall. And there are now 2 cases confirmed of dengue fever in Monroe County. So with that said, health officials are urging residents to take proper precautions. The Department of Health in Monroe County confirming 2 cases of locally acquired dengue fever, an illness spread by mosquitoes. In light of this, the Florida Keys Mosquito Control District has intensified mosquito control operations in Key Largo and in Upper Matecumbe Key. The organization is doing door-to-door inspections and treatments of residences and businesses, truck and aerial larvicide and adulticide treatments in affected areas, and placing mosquito traps.
The Department of Health has in fact declared that that physicians and nurses and other healthcare workers be very alert for this.
Most people who get dengue will not have symptoms, but for those that do, they'll have high fever, headaches, body aches, nausea, and a rash.
You develop these symptoms 3 days to 2 weeks, 14 days after you've been exposed to the mosquito. The time to see a doctor is if you've been bitten by mosquitoes or you've been in an area where there are a lot of mosquitoes and you may have been bitten and not noticed it, and you start not to feel good and you get a high fever.
In severe cases, it can be fatal. Health officials say awareness is key and are urging property owners to ward off mosquitoes by eliminating standing water, turning over or removing empty pots, buckets, trash cans, and also avoid getting mosquito bites by wearing long sleeve shirts, pants, and using mosquito repellents containing DEET. All right, very important to know, Dr. Marty says that if you are experiencing dengue fever, do not take aspirin or ibuprofen, only Tylenol here. But again, if you have severe symptoms, to immediately go seek medical attention. That is the latest here from Pembroke Park. Sanela Sabovic, Local 10 News.
Be careful out there. Thanks a lot, Sanela.